Hi, my name is Sam Chaudhary. I'm a real estate broker in the state of Texas. We're going to continue talking about strategies and how to get your offer stand out during the multiple offer situation. So when you get the lender's a pre-qualified letter, pre-approval letter, always go for a pre-approval letter. Never for a pre-qualified letter. And the reason is in the pre-approval letter, the lender, that means, has already verified your income, your assets, your liabilities. But don't just stop there. Also ask the lender, hey, can you submit my file for underwriting, right? Pre-underwriting. What does that mean? They will send the file to the underwriter who is going to take a detailed look at your credit reports and all the assets and all the liabilities and tell you, hey, this guy is ready to go. Why do I recommend that? Is during the offer time when they're asking, hey, how many days you need to get the financing done? You can only put down 15 days or 11 days or 17 days, whatever the lender is going to recommend, and that will make your offer stand out. So again, if you have any questions,